Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're running one coupon for every customer in every country, you're probably losing profit. WooCommerce applies discounts broadly by default. It doesn't care whether the customer is local, international, in a high shipping zone, or in a region where sales are already strong. That's the problem. Today, I'll show you how to restrict WooCommerce discount coupons based on location using YayPricing, so your promotions only apply where they actually make sense. Okay, now make sure you've installed the YayPricing Pro version on your WordPress site. After activation, you'll see YayPricing inside your WooCommerce menu in the WordPress dashboard. Then, navigate to Marketing. I'm going to access the Coupon section to create a new coupon. Set the discount value to 0 and save it. Yeah, we have this coupon, which will only act as a trigger. Next, we'll create a campaign from the YayPricing dashboard. Let's say we'll run 15% off for customers located in the United States when they apply our coupon code. Move to the Conditions tab and link this rule to the existing coupon code. Continue to choose the shipping region. YayPricing provides a list of condition options for your goal. For our example, select the United States. Once saved, the discount will only apply if the customer's billing or shipping address matches that location. That's exactly how a smart promotion should behave. Small tips. A discount only works if customers understand it immediately. With YayPricing, we can display discount descriptions on product pages, setting up and saving all the configuration. Before launching the campaign, always test it like a real customer. Add a product to the cart. Enter a shipping address inside the target location. Apply the coupon. Then, test again using a different country. Make sure the rule behaves exactly as expected. Testing ensures your campaign feels smooth and professional. With YayPricing, you're no longer limited by basic coupon settings. You can build promotions that match real customer behavior across countries, states, and regions, all inside a clean visual rule builder. Small, smart adjustments like this are exactly how successful WooCommerce businesses scale. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.